Hello, welcome to Dimple's and Arabian journey. Kindly watch the entire video for the secret recipe and the secret ingredient. Today's recipe is easy whipped cream from the scratch. So for this you need a metal bowl. I've freezed them for around 8 to 9 hours along with the metal blades, the electric blades of the electric beater, which has also been freezed for around 8 to 10 hours. And all you need is 1 cup of fresh cream. This is a whipping cream, non-dairy whipping cream. So let us begin with the process. With the help of an electric blender, we shall start the process now. Please keep the timer for around 1 to 2 minutes. We will divide the process. The entire process will take around 4+ minutes. Let us pour the first ingredient, that is the whipping cream. Please whip it for 2 good minutes. For the second minute, I will repeat the process. So this will go on for exact 3 minutes. Unless I get that frothy and a stabilized form of cream. So 2 minutes gone by and the thickness is setting in. The consistency still needs to be whipped, so we'll be doing for 1 more minute. Let us now again whip for a minute. We have already done for 2 minutes. So this process needs to be repeated once again. Okay, this looks perfect, but not up to the mark. It still has that liquid form in it, and I need a thick consistency, perfect for icing a cake. So we shall be whipping 1 more last minute. So here is my little secret which I'm sharing. This is 1 tablespoon of vanilla pudding which I shall be adding into the whipping cream post 3 minutes, and then you can just whip it 1 more minute. In case if you beat it too hard or the whipping cream is not good enough, it might turn into butter. So this will help it not turn into butter. I hope this little secret helps all the beginners out there. So do not worry about the whipping cream turning into butter anymore. Just add in a 1 tablespoon of vanilla powder and there you go for a minute. Now the last minute counts. Just 1 more minute. That's it. Let us start the last minute of the whipping cream. Please note that you do not need to whip it more than 5 minutes. Don't over whip it. At this point of time, you can also add in 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. I do not want it too much of sweet because my product or the brand which I am using already has sweet. So that will be too much of loaded of sweetness. I do not want that, but in case if you need it, you can add in powdered form only. Okay, so see now, it holds its stiffness. It holds its stiff peak. This is the perfect consistency I was looking for to top a pie or a cake. This is perfect. Just look at it. It's perfect. It can hold its shape right now. So this is where it needs to be stopped. So we have done around 4.10 minutes, 45 seconds. You could do it for a minute or so again if you want, but I'm happy with the consistency. I'll just fill it into a piping bag and decorate my dessert. So here is your homemade, perfectly whipped cream. Or I would like to just give an hour or something like that to just set up. You can certainly do it overnight. Market whipped creams are very, very expensive. So here you have got your fresh, homemade, 100% whipped cream without adding any of the sugar or any preservatives. So this is the process how I do it. For the beginners level, you need to watch this video, and anybody can do this. Anybody. All you need is 5 minutes, and just whip your pie, your cake, your milkshake, anything. My kids absolutely enjoy them with the milkshake, and I like it with my coffee. I certainly make them into batches and refrigerate for 24 to 48 hours. Please do watch the entire video and do share this video with your friends and family. Please leave us your valuable messages and comments, and do not forget to subscribe us. Thank you for watching Dimple's and Arabian journey. If you like my videos, do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Also do connect us on our Facebook and Instagram page by the name Flora and Aroma. And please do not forget to share this video with your friends and family. Thank you so much.